You need to delete the data folder of the OBS Studio to restore default settings. To restore the default settings in the OBS Studio, open Local Disk C. Click on Users. Now select your name. Now search for the app data folder. It might be hidden. To see that, click on View menu on the top. Mark the hidden items from the list and refresh. Now the app data folder is visible. Open it. Click on Roaming. Search for OBS Studio and delete it. You are done. Now open the OBS Studio, and the default settings will be restored.